had to come back. Ran out of space on my phone. And I was recording at 4K, so 60 frames per second, so that takes up a lot of space on my phone. But it's raining right now. You can probably see that in the distance. That's rain right there. Hoping to catch a light. Oh, there we go. That's what I was looking for. I was just about to say I was hoping to catch one on camera, and I got one. Like, it's been like really hot today. It's like 80, 90 degrees consistently all day. Humidity. So I knew a storm was coming. It was like this yesterday, and the day before as well. So this was long overdue. I'm out here chilling with socks.